Yo, what's going on, everybody? David Omari here. We're at the mastermind at the Greatness Mansion with my lovely guests, my lovely clientele right here, breaking down the importance of YouTube automation, talking about the reach. And so come along with me today and let's learn something. Let's get it. When I'm not uploading videos, I'm not giving this video the video loop that it needs. Because typically what we do on these videos is at the end of every single video, it always is promoting the most recent video. So if I have 5, 10, 20 videos that are already viral, getting views every single day consistently, right? Every single day I'm getting these views. What's gonna happen is when they get that 10% that gets to the end and they click it, that's me already getting the views, opposed to me sitting here trying to like put out a viral idea and get views right away. I got 20, 30, 40, 50 videos already working for me, building up that viewership. Don't give up on your channel too soon, right? Just because you're not monetized doesn't mean your videos that you already made are not gonna make money. This video is not at its peak yet. I think it's probably gonna get to about 90,000, maybe, give or take. So typically what I'm doing is when I do a vlog like this or in any kind of video, I have a 4 to 5 scene rule. So this is scene 1, right? Introduction, scene 1. Scene 2 will probably be us upstairs getting massages, eating or whatever. I gotta go get my Rolls Royce from the house sometime today. So that'll probably be another part. Then we have dinner tonight. So that's gonna be another scene. And then we'll just close the video out there. I gotta go get my change of clothes though. But y'all look good though. Y'all look great. Y'all look great. So it's good. Yeah. Right. So CTR is your click-through rate. So this is literally the impressions. So impressions, click-through rate. This is your CTR score. So it's just the amount of views that you got from the impressions. The higher this is, the more YouTube typically is gonna push it out to more people.
Jakes, I've been waiting for this one.
All this money you guys are gonna make, I want you guys to let that money make you money. And this is somebody I actually invested money with that's helped me make a lot more money. So Will, I'm gonna have you come up, bro.
Yeah, yo,
So again, I want you guys to meet a great friend of mine, a brother of mine, William Rivera, somebody I met when I moved to Atlanta, and has really helped me a lot in entrepreneurship in general. We've done a lot of business together, and so I said, bro, you gotta come out here and give my people some game. This is a very rich man, so.
What's up, guys? My name is William Rivera. I'm gonna just talk a little bit about like my story, just so you guys can get some context. Yeah, so both of my parents were born in Nicaragua, Central America. Very poor country. If y'all don't know about Nicaragua, it's like the 3rd poorest country behind like Haiti, another one. So my parents came here when they were like 18 years old, and then they got divorced, and I moved with my mom to Cincinnati, Ohio when I was like 10 years old. And from a very young age, I watched my mom not only take care of me, but 2 other little brothers. And I understood at a young age that working hard doesn't equal making a lot of money, right? My mom was working 2, 3 jobs, but still kind of like barely getting by. And so at an early age, I think that really helped me mentally. I was like, wow, okay, so the traditional way of just working a job sometimes just isn't enough. So I went the traditional route. I went to high school. I did a semester of college. And I realized that college just wasn't for me. I was never good at school, not even in high school. I played basketball throughout all my high school years. And then I remember my senior year, we started getting like transfers from out of state. And I played the point guard position. And we started seeing transfers like 6'5" point guards come in. And I was like, all right, yeah, so it's probably not gonna work out for me. Like, I probably have to find something else to do. So the next thing I thought of was making money. So I was like, all right, let me get a job. I got a job. I worked at Brewster's, Cracker Barrel, Steak and Shake, Dick's Sporting Goods, all these jobs. Eventually I was like, I need to find other ways to make money. And while I was doing that, I was like, okay, but I need some type of money, some type of income to put into a business. So I got a job at an Amazon warehouse, which is crazy because I'm about to teach you how to sell on Amazon. But I was working in the Amazon warehouse from 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. every single day. And while I was working in that warehouse, I started to notice like the type of products that were going out all the time. And they were name brand products. So a lot of people, they try to teach you to sell like products from China on Amazon, but a lot of the products that sell on Amazon are from big brands that we all recognize, like Lego, Sony, Fiji, Logitech, those types of brands. And I remember because I was loading the semi trucks, they would come to the back and I would load the whole semi truck with these products. And what I realized is it wasn't these companies selling their products on Amazon. It was people like me and you selling those companies' products on Amazon. And I started to look into it more, and I found out that over 60% of the products sold on Amazon are sold by third-party sellers, which means people like me and you. And I started just looking into it more and more. I started going to events just like this one right here. And I figured out that everyday people like me and you can open up wholesale accounts with these companies. Companies like Sony, Logitech, Fiji. What happened was I did that and I failed for like a year straight. And then within 1 month, my first month that I ever made money was my first month that I did over $300,000 in less than a month. I mean, this is like the oldest business in the world. All you're doing on Amazon is buying something for a low price and then selling it for the retail price. It's technically what Sam Walton did. If y'all don't know who Sam Walton is, he's the founder of Walmart. So all Sam Walton did, and he was smart enough to realize that it's really hard to create your own brand. It's really hard to create your own product. But if you could have like a marketplace where you sell brands and products that people already know, like, and trust, you can make a lot of money. And essentially that's what we're doing, but online. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to start a profitable online business in 2024. This made me millions of dollars in my 20s. I'm 25 right now, so I'm still in my 20s. But this right here, I love, yeah, I'm 25. So you don't need a lot of money to do this. So yeah, this business, you don't need a lot of money to start. You don't need any prior experience. And what I love most about it is you don't have to spend any money on marketing because you're selling products that people are already searching for on Amazon. Now, unless you're already rich, you probably understand that in the certain state of economy that we're in right now, we have to make a lot more money than you maybe thought of that you had to make. And even if your finances are better than ever, you need to make a lot more just because of how the economy is. And a lot of these businesses out there, they require large investments, and many online opportunities that you see on social media, such as people talking about Amazon FBA, people talking about like crypto, stocks, all that, they require you to make big risks. And I'm not a fan of big risks. So a lot of these businesses out there that you see require large cash investments. They require large time investments and emotional investments too. Like, you don't really know if the business is gonna work or not. And people ask themselves, like, what if you could have a business though that didn't require you to take unnecessary risk? And this is essentially what Amazon is. It's something that you can get into where it's not really risky because I'm gonna show you how to look up products that are guaranteed to sell. The average Amazon seller is doing about almost $250,000 a year in sales. And this is around like a 30% profit margin is like average. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So you don't think I'm just lying to you. Like, this is from Amazon.com. And then again, I said more than 60% of sales on the Amazon website are from independent sellers. So this means like people like me and you. And then I pulled this too from another website that pulls data for Amazon. And you can see that this is last year. So last year, over 55% of Amazon sellers reported that they're doing over $5,000 a month. And then 72% of them are at least doing over $1,000 a month. So this is just to show you, like, it's really not that hard to sell on Amazon if you have the right blueprint. And I'm sure all of you could use an extra, $5K a month from a pretty passive business.
Looks like I mean my goddamn vlog. Don't worry.
Fellow Capital. Where's the merch, man? Look at Benny, my brother.
See my legs? Am I too late?
Nah, you good. You perfect timing. We got lunch, massages. You want massage?
Nah, bro. I just need lunch, bro.
My man, Benny Fuello, William Rivera. We at the Omari Mastermind, David Omari YouTube Automation Mastermind. Giving mad game, giving game back to the clients, to the people. You know what I'm saying? Good to have my boys here. We just chopping it up. We having a good time. The toys is outside. The three amigos, man. But yeah.
I got the Omari on.
You already know. That's how
You're making me look bad, man. You're making me look terrible.
Where's the Rivera? Where's the Fuello?
I know, bro. We gotta get our shit together.
Y'all said drip.
How to pass your wealth to the next generation. And that's gonna be my favorite part, by the way. I haven't even talked about my actual part that I get excited the most about. So that this is an apartment complex, but in Hapeville, as you guys know, people that are from Atlanta, you guys probably recognize what this is. You guys probably recognize the airport. The airport is not here, but the airport is right there. So I got a 64 unit right here. 64, I love this property. It's actually my best performing asset. I talk about it a lot. I bought it for $6.4 million. The stabilized value, which means the after repair value. So again, after every unit is leased up, the property is nicer, everything looks, the ARV, yes, after repair value is $12.8 million. So how do I know that? Is that before we bought the property, we got an appraisal that did an analysis of what it's worth today and what it's gonna be worth a year from now after I do all the work. It's $12.8 million value of the property that I got for $6.4 million. But the equity upside is $4.8 million. The difference between down payment, purchase price, and the future value is $4.8 million. And the debt, when I purchased the property, because again, the price was 6.4, and because I put $2 million, my actual debt on the property was $4.4 million. Are you guys following? Okay? And I know the question will be, how do you get $2 million? You call David. That's not straight up. Or call Will and David. That's really what it is. Like, how do you, $2 million? Yeah, call Will and David, you get the $2 million. Seriously.
So we all know that, you know, you guys spent what, 3 months with me in the program, you know, 4, some of you guys did get 4, and you all enjoyed it. And how important would you say it is to stay close to the campfire?
Again, being in the room, just with the information you have.
Right, right, just the network, right? I have a really great opportunity for you guys. I know you guys spent 3 months with me and 4 months with me, as you said, but honestly, that's just not enough time to like really get the best out of this business model and learn what I have, put it into what he taught you, put it into what he taught you. You're just gonna need more time. And so, you know, I was talking to my team about this opportunity for you guys where I wanna open it for you guys to be with me for a year. Now, I know what y'all paid for the 3 months, and y'all probably got that in your mind right now, but I'm about to bless you because the year is gonna be free. What? Yeah. Every single person who showed up to this event today is gonna be with me in my mastermind for a year for free. My challenge is, no, I'm serious. I know. As soon as you guys leave, probably by Monday, I'm gonna say by Monday, you guys are gonna be added back in it. Because like I said, I just wanna pour into you guys some more. Everybody that was here that came is gonna get that access, so yeah. I know y'all was waiting for me to drop a price, but I'm like, nah. I'm gonna take care of y'all, yeah.
Yeah. Pastor Omari.
What we toasted to, David? Hey, man. It's a community.
Yeah.
There's no unity.
Without the community.
Yeah. In the nation. Hey, and that's gonna close out this vlog. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you made it this far, comment Omari in the chat. I'm gonna see you on the next one. I'm out.
Automation.